1. Which part of your body can get damaged by eating Maggi? A. Lungs. B. Kidney. C. Brain. D. Liver. The answer is D. Liver. 2. Which fruit contains the maximum amount of water? A. Papaya. B. Banana. C. Coconut. D. Apple. The answer is C. Coconut. 3. Eating leaves of which tree sharpens the brain? A. Tulsi. B. Neem. C. Broccoli. D. People. The answer is C. Broccoli. 4. Which is the fruit that is never infested with worms? A. Apple. B. Papaya. C. Banana. D. Orange. The answer is C. Banana. 5. In which country was the world's first note made? A. America. B. Bhutan. C. Nepal. D. China. The answer is D. China. 6. Which is the bird that cries in love for the moon? A. Peacock. B. Pigeon. C. Cuckoo. D. Chakor. The answer is D. Chakor. 7. Which is the country where 2 presidents are elected? A. San Marino country. B. Uganda. C. Germany. D. Iran country. The answer is A. San Marino country. 8. How far can the eyes of a clean human being see? A. 25 kilometers. B. 20 kilometers. C. 10 kilometers. D. 5 kilometer. The answer is B. 20 kilometers. 9. How many grams does a human eye weigh? A. 10 grams. B. 8 grams. C. 15 grams. D. 30 grams. The answer is B. 8 grams. 10. Whose picture is printed on the 200 rupees note? A. Taj Mahal. B. Rainbow. C. Red Fort. D. Sanchi Stupa. The answer is D. Sanchi Stupa. 11. Which country uses solar energy the most? A. India. B. Japan. C. China. D. America. The answer is C. China. 12. Monkey is the national animal of which country? A. Sri Lanka. B. Nepal. C. Central Desh. D. Norway. The answer is C. Central Desh. 13. Which city is called the city of mango? A. Agra. B. Lucknow. C. Rampur. D. Ajmer. The answer is B. Lucknow. 14. In which country earthquakes never occur? A. In Australia. B. In Japan. C. In Nepal. D. In Norway. The answer is A. In Australia. 15. Which country has the most lakes? A. India. B. Canada. C. China. D. Brazil. The answer is B. Canada.